Rajya Sabhagi MP Ningthou Leisemba Sanajaobana Loktak Pat amadi Keibul Lamjao National Park yokhattuna thamnaba Parliament pukhatkhre. MP Leisemba Sanajaobana ngarang famkiba Parliament mifamda wafamasi pukhatladuna hai. Loktak Hydro Project amadi ithai dam gi merit point kaya leirabasu masigi ona tainabada demerit point kaya su leiri haibasi nathaiba yaroidaba amani. Loktak Hydro Project ke beneficiary states sing asi Manipur, Nagaland, Assam amadi Mizoram ni haibasi achumbani. Megawatt chamagasuk na mga power generation ki manungda Manipur gi oina megawatt kontraga mga khaktamak sizinaduna lakli. Adubu lemhauriba megawatt humfudra aduna yumthang nariba stat sing de yonthokli. Loktak Hydro Project amadi ithai dam gi demerit sing adudi lawu singu yaba leihau chenba lam hectare lising marifu humdoi ka chamli ga yangkhairom ising thumjinduna mangduna leiri. Akoibada khundariba miyamgi socio-economic amadi cultural life ta sokhalli. Loktak Pat ki akoibagi fibamda ikhang khangaudana chawna honglakli. Loktak Pat asi nongmagi thenjilakli. Keibul Lamjao National Park ki ecosystem amadi environment su yamna chawna sokhalli. Hairiba park asi malemgi oina amata ngairaba floating park amani. Loinana sangai gi horakfamni. Tanglaba sama kalamadi Manipur gi state animal su oiriba sangai asi park asi khaktada fangi. Hojikti sangai gi masing asi chaniga yangkhaidagi hanthare amadi kudong thiningai oiba samakal oirakli. Hairiba kudong thiningai oiraba phibam asigi yengduna leibak asigi maru oina sangai kannabagi damak Loktak Pat amadi Keibul Lamjao National Park yokhattuna thamnaba lokhatpa yaba thabak thoram khudingmak lokhatpiyo haina MP na house ki khutangda India government ta taksinki.
Sir, it is true that the beneficiary states of Loktak Hydro projects are Manipur, Nagaland, Assam and Mizoram. Out of 105 megawatt power generation in 3 phases of 35 megawatt each, only 35 megawatt has been used in Manipur, while the remaining 70 megawatt has been sold to the neighboring states. Sir, the merits of Loktak Hydro projects and ithai dams are: number one, about 83,450 hectares of arable fertile lands have been affected and submerged underwater. Number two, socio-economic and cultural life of the surrounding people have been affected. Number three, sir, environment of Loktak Lake has abruptly changed. Loktak Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in the country. Now, sir, the lake is shallowing day by day. And number four, ecosystem and environment of Keibul Lamjao National Park have also been affecting badly. This park is the only floating park in the world and home of Sangai brow antler deer. This Sangai, the rarest species of its kind, and the state animals of Manipur is found only in this park. Now the number of Sangai is reducing below 250 and becoming endangered species. Sir, considering these alarming situations, I therefore request the Government of India through this House to take up all possible steps for the conservation of Loktak Lake and Keibul Lamjao National Park, especially for Sangai, to save in the interest of the nation.